Hello Trade Pros, welcome again to another one of our trading videos. In today's session, I'm going to be going through some afternoon trades. So in the afternoon, typically what I see is a lot of market movement and it becomes very advantageous to see a potential longer move throughout this time period, whether it's to the upside or downside. So see how I'm looking for a few trades here. I'm looking for a more stubborn, aggressive move and see how the day pans out. I talk about my earlier trades a bit, but I mainly focus on showing you guys some live trades in the afternoon, trying to catch that longer swing move. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and what I'm going to do is let you guys smash that like button before we get started. Hit that subscribe button to notify you when we do go live and show you more videos like these on a very frequent basis. And let's get ready for this video. So sit back, enjoy my trading, my analysis, and let's get ready for this intro. Trade Pros, I'm over here in the afternoon trying to stock out some trades with you guys, and I'm looking at potential longs here. I kind of like to buy it down towards this support structure. You can see we already placed the limits in pretty aggressively, filled. This may be a stubborn trade because you had that key support. We fell off pretty aggressively to the downside in this market. So what I saw here was the rejection candle shape up. What is that? I'm looking at this 10 tick right here. This is my best friend of a chart. You can see some of the trades that I actually took today. There are little arrows here and there. And the 10 tick shaped up in a rejection candle, a nice white bull candle that formed with these long wicks at a prior support structure with my little boxes here. And you got the bids. This is an order flow play as well. You got the bids coming in. The bids mean that, hey, these guys are kind of serious about buying this after you saw those buy imbalances. And we're trying to get a leg up again. We're trying to get a leg up into the market with a target, initial target on this move. My first take profit could have been a little lower, honestly. Maybe a little greedy with this for the first initial one so we could move that other one to break even +1, break even +2. But we're seeing here on the order flow front, I'm not seeing too much buying coming in, so I don't really like that I'm in a long without too much buying coming in. But if we blow through these 73, 74s, the upside is going to be pretty aggressive. So I'm looking to capture a pretty long move. You can see how many buying balances just came in. This is big buying, strong buying. You blow that 73 apart, you blow that 74 apart, I think the upside is going to open up pretty aggressively. Now remember, I'm just trading 2 lots here on the minis, on the E-minis, taking $150 worth of risk per trade. So that's 75 bucks per lot filled on one. And now we can see if we can run the other one. I just moved my stop to a point and 3/4, meaning that the worst thing that could happen is I'm going home with like 87 bucks. So how I'm going to trail this, look at this. Look how it's running through these areas. God. So how I'm going to trail this, I'm just going to hide behind some of these buy and bounces. Sorry, I got excited there for a second, but this was a really good trade to catch on camera like this. We could have taken it out already at that VWAP because it's really strong resistance, but we got one runner, and I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. What's the worst thing that could happen to me? Now 200 bucks, 4 points. That's where we put the stop, right? So we took one out at 11 ticks, $137 in the bank, and then now what we're doing is trying to trail this last one up here. You can see where it's trying to move into VWAP resistance here. I don't want to strangle this trade because I think there's a potential for a nice pop, especially if we get back through those higher 80s. This is the main chart that you can see on my screen, the 10 tick and the footprint. These guys are my friends. I could hide behind this buy imbalance like this and just put this guy here. And then there you go. Pulls it back, no problem. That was a nice long trade, honestly. If it goes now, it goes. I only had 2 lots on, but you can see the rest of my trades here. There it goes. Damn. So maybe we may have been a little premature trying to strangle that trade. But let's take a look. Some of these other trades that I got here on the docket, you can see I just blew them up. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners and 2 losses today. decent profit. I didn't record the first few trades, but I was looking at this, and I had a decent profit up, and I was thinking, hey, like it looks good. There's some buying pressure. I want to buy it for the anticipated rally back into the 34s from here into 80s. You know what? Took a full stop. It rotated. I had the chance to scratch out. Then I bought it again because it was the original level that I wanted. Why? Why was it the original level? Because look at this right here. This prior broken top pulls back. It's supposed to hold as resistance if we're going to continue the bull side with some nice rejection candles, some nice order flow coming in. It was all coming to fruition. So I had to pay the price to get the original level that I wanted. At that point, I wasn't fighting back, but I gave back some and then took back some. Wasn't a crazy one. This was by far the best trade of the day to wrap it up. This again, if you guys want to see more of my trades, winners and losers, let me know. Drop down in the comments below, and we can do these short little snippets for you guys, and I can explain why I took these trades, why I didn't. You saw when I got into this one super aggressive. Let me break it down again for you. What I saw was, number one, structurally, we are still kind of bullish, but we're kind of breaking down here. But structurally, we have a key support structure here. Nice big block that I drew out. Nice support structure here. Comes down aggressively, yeah, sure, with big sell pressure. But look at that. This sell pressure right here, these sell imbalances are supposed to continue the market to the downside. However, big buy imbalance comes in, erases this sell stop block with some bids coming in. For me, as long as my stop is below the big bids and that big buy imbalance, it's worth a shot for that upside move, right? And there you go. All I did was get in, took 2 ticks of heat, and then we got that rally. Now what's going on here? Look at this big sell pressure. We could do one of these like simple little trades, just like a little one-time trade, because what I see here is big sellers coming in, big sell imbalances. You got the VWAP coming up. This is a fade trade. So it's a higher risk trade. That's why I only threw one lot on it. But you can see big sellers are trying to come in on this. If I get stopped out, not the end of the world because the sell pressure has been blown away and I was wrong. But you can see how much sellers are in based on just pure order flow. You got the rejection, VWAP right here. We can even try to pull the take profit down a little. It's only a one lot, but we can try and run it. So worst thing that happens to me now, you take home 3 ticks, about like 37 bucks on this trade. And all these sellers, all these rotations, that VWAP resistance, that overnight high, everything there, market structure prior broken low, is telling me that this area should hold resistance, right? This is an area that should hold resistance for a leg down. And yeah, okay, this only one lot, so it's not the end of the world. We already secured some profits here by moving our stop. So the worst thing that could happen is our commission's paid for and we put a little bit of money in the bank. But let's see if we can drop it down here. And that buy and bounce that's shaping up, we kill it. There we go. Done out of that trade. Another 3.25 points. Could we have trailed it more? Yeah. It's just I didn't want to get too greedy with this on a one lot. I don't like to trail like that. And you guys just saw 2 succession trades back to back. Fortunately enough, we were able to catch them both really well. And again, order flow plays, right? It doesn't have to be rocket science or bat or hard stuff. You guys want to learn more? Come check us out. We can teach you how to order flow trade. We can teach you how to price action trade just like we did today, just like we did here. Yeah, you can see a lot of my trades, not all my trades were winners. We had 2 losers today, but we came from a position, an advantageous position to continue the move and continue to make profit. Now, see this trade, this fader trade, I liked it because big selling was coming. With faders, you don't want to get too aggressive. You don't want to put too much size on. I put only one lot on. You don't want to trail it forever. Right? The second I saw that buy and bounce, I was getting a little nervous, but we killed it off because we made a risk-free trade within seconds of this thing moving in our direction. You guys want to learn risk management? Come and check us out at TRADEPRO Academy. This is Victoria from TRADEPRO Academy with a quick explanation of my trades for the day in September. If you guys want to learn more about the September volatility that's coming up, come join us. We got this community full of great traders that looks to take advantage of these crazy swings. So we'll see you guys next time.
Hello, and thank you for watching this video. I want to take a moment to invite you to an exclusive online trading masterclass. In this event, you're going to learn 3 key things to help take your trading to the next level. Number 1, we're going to teach you a complete price action strategy used by professional traders on a daily basis, plus give you the checklist so you know how to check off each step to qualify the opportunities. Number 2, we're going to teach you how to use advanced order flow analytics to help you qualify high probability, low risk trade setups on a daily basis. Plus, we're going to teach you how to use that order flow to disqualify the trades that you're used to taking that end up being stopped out. Number 3, we're going to show you how you could apply all of this information with a small account, because you could start small and scale up. In fact, that's the only way to start, and a lot of our traders are doing it in our community on a daily basis. This is an exclusive offer you could get online only at this event. I look forward to seeing you at this masterclass and teaching you these 3 secrets of highly profitable day trading. Take care and have a great day.